Hi everyone, my name is Auni. I'm from SK Selena 4 Kuala Lumpur, Pahang. I would like to share a book review entitled Messi Grows a Garden by Lucy Cousin. Messi Grows a Garden is a fun and colorful picture book written by Lucy Cousin. It's all about Messi Mouse, a little mouse who loves to try new things. In this story, Messi decides to plant her very own garden. She's excited to grow flowers and vegetables and learn all about how plants grow. This book is perfect for anyone who is curious about nature or gardening, especially kids who love Messi and her friends. In the story, Messi decides she wants to grow a garden. To do that, she gathers all the things she needs like a shovel, a watering can, some seed, and gloves to protect her hands. She gets to work right away, planting different kinds of seeds. She plants flowers, vegetables, and herbs in her garden. After she's finished planting, she's watered everything and waits patiently for the plants to grow. Macy knows that it will take some time for the plants to grow, so she checks on them every day. She waters the plant and takes care of them, waiting for them to bloom and become strong. The story shows how plants need time, care, and attention to grow well. In the end, Macy's hard work pays off and her garden is full of beautiful flowers and delicious vegetables. The story is simple and easy to understand, with words that are just right for kids. The action that Macy takes planting, watering, waiting are repeated throughout the book. This makes it easy for children to follow along and it helps them understand how gardening works step by step. What we learn from the book. This book is not just about gardening. It also teaches some important lessons. The biggest lesson is about patience. Macy's garden doesn't grow right away. She has to wait and take care of the plants every day before they start to grow. This teaches kids that some things take time, and if you're patient and keep working at something, it will pay off. The picture. One of the best parts of Messi Grows a Garden is the illustration. Lucy Cousin, the author, is also the illustrator, and she does a great job of making the book colorful and fun. The pictures are bright and bold, with lots of exciting details. You see Messi wearing her favorite red dress with her big eyes and smiling face. She looks very happy to be working in her garden, and her excitement makes the story even more fun. The pictures of the garden are also full of bright colors. You can see all kinds of plants growing, flowers, vegetables, and even little bugs. The illustration help tell the story, and they also make the book more fun to look at. Kids can look at the pictures and notice different things each time they read the book. There are lots of little details like butterflies and bees, which make the story feel even more like a real garden. This is a great book for help kids understand how nature works. It might even inspire them to start their own garden. It doesn't matter if you have a big backyard or just a small pot, you can grow plants just like Messi. The book shows that gardening is a fun and rewarding activity, and it's a perfect way to spend time outside. We like this book. Messi Grows a Garden is a perfect book for kids around 4 to 12 years old. It's also great for parents or teachers to read with younger children because the words are simple and easy to understand. For kids who are just starting to read on their own, the short sentences and repeating action will help them follow the story and remember what happened next. Final thoughts. Messi Grows a Garden is a wonderful, heartwarming book for kids who love nature or want to learn about gardening. It's full of colorful pictures, Fun characters, an important lesson about patience and responsibility. Whether you read it with a parent, a teacher, or on your own, it's a great book for anyone who wants to learn how to take care of plants and watch them grow. Thank you.